The key fob not detected error on your 2014 Lincoln MKZ typically stems from three main issues: a dead or weak key fob battery, antenna problems, or module glitches. First, replace the CR232 battery in your key fob. Use a plastic tool to gently pry open the fob, replace the battery, ensuring correct polarity, and snap it back together. If that doesn't work, inspect the vehicle's antennas, located in the door handles and rear bumper, for any signs of corrosion or damage. Clean and reseal any corroded connections. Finally, try resetting the body control module BCM by cycling the ignition. Turn the key to the on position without starting the engine for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Repeat this process 3 to 5 times. These initial steps resolve the issue in most cases. If basic troubleshooting doesn't solve the problem, a deeper reset of the BCM may be needed. Disconnect fuse 28 in the underhood fuse box for 5 to 10 minutes to reset it. An OBD2 scanner can help clear error codes like B1D55. For persistent issues, a software update, T5B2, may be available at a Ford dealership. Looking ahead, keyless systems are moving towards smartphone-based keys and ultra-wideband UWB technology for improved reliability and security. Trends also include eco-friendly rechargeable key fobs and AI-driven diagnostics for preemptive maintenance. While these advanced technologies aren't applicable to the 2014 MKZ directly, understanding them provides context for future automotive key system advancements and potential hybrid solutions.